Stainless steel's in here. I was told not to tint the back window, so I tinted it anyway in a very shitty manner. Yeah, I'm thinking we use the other gun and just push it. Try to. We use the spare that's here, kind of wedge it in between, and then use that to... You don't think it's gonna work? Shit. Dude, we should have cut out seats for that. There's nowhere to sit on this. By the way, what's more bullshit? I found my vinyl.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's unfortunate.
Uh-huh.
Alright, tailgates at crotch level. This is where the problem is for me. Is above the frame and beneath the body. It would go right into there against.
Yeah, we're gonna use a tire.
And then so tailgates.
No, it's gonna be too high.
Yeah, the back would be worse.
That's too high. Okay, so here's what we need to do with this next time then. It needs a bash bar on the front.
What I was gonna say.
Ready to go in space? Oh, you're staying there?
I go direct in. He missed it like 8 inches this way last time.
Okay.
So
I just hope that front end of the truck isn't... I'm hoping the front end doesn't push the trailer down before we get there on the back.
That's what I was saying earlier.
So I'm gonna have a nice fun ride.
Just don't stand on the pinch point.
Felt it on the truck.
That's right.
Is it straight?
We're gonna back you up a little bit, go driver just a hair, then straighten out. I gave him the instructions.
You trust him with those?
Nope.
How far are you going?
We need speed.
Oh my god.
There's no way. Alright, driver a little bit. And straighten out.
Left a little bit. Brake.
I'm on the brakes, it's not stopping.
It sure is. Butt up.
Alright, that was plan A, right?
I don't like the idea of just trying to push it up there with a bunch of speed.
Why not?
Because it's
Oh.
just gonna hop off the end.
Yeah, that just occurred to me. Well, no. Dude, we're not gonna get going that fast. There's no way.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Hold on. Can you keep going and still get it up? So yes, it worked. No.
You're just pushing the whole thing.
Got it? Go?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That we're done, dude.
Okay, inlets are still there. I was expecting it to just.
Alright, now we gotta get it off the trailer.
Awesome.
Well, once it goes, it's gonna go.
I know.
Oh, there it goes.
I got brakes on.
Alright, keep going.
Oh, this ain't bad at all. Shit.
Brakes working?
Hell yeah, that's not good.
It's kind of scary at first, I'll admit.
completely?
Yeah.
Like foot all the way to the floor?
I was trying the whole time.
Okay. I felt it like doing that and I was like,
I was pumping it.
Okay. I was like, I don't remember doing that before. Okay.
I can't stop you now. Maybe if I were able to brace my back a bit.
Yeah, I'm in low range. Let me see if I just do regular high.
Okay. Well, this is kind of scraping the paint off by itself, so.
You did pretty good cutting that, actually. It's pretty square. Just using basic essentials. But why do that when we have power tools? I don't believe he wants to fix this thing. If the tent was in here, this never would have happened. But no, we're gonna cut this out and weld in some sheet metal panels.
You don't want gloves?
No. We don't have a title for this thing, so we had to take it up to have the VIN number verified. So they only do that if you trailer it up there, so the whole point of this was to trailer it up there so we could do that. But in the meantime, while the paperwork's being processed, we are working on getting these floorboards patched up, and then eventually we're doing a motor swap. So lots of fun to follow. Right now it's got an inline 6 and had a 3 on the tree in it. Still all here, it's all still connected, but lots more to come and more tent. Yeah, a lot more tent. We're gonna,